Some new information this morning on a holiday event that some of you may have had plans to check out tonight. Our Natalie Painter is live this morning at Lutheran Church of Hope in West Des Moines with more on its plans for their Journey to the Lights holiday display. Hi, Natalie. What can you tell us?
Yeah, Jody, we can now confirm that the Journey of the Lights display here at Lutheran Church of Hope in West Des Moines will be canceled for tonight, Wednesday the 15th. Only. So the event will be still going on Thursday and Friday evening. Now, as safety is the top priority, they decided to cancel tonight due to high winds and the fact that they have many volunteers and live animals that could be affected by the conditions. Now, there are also aspects of the display that would be dangerous if caught in the wind. The event will still continue, like I said, on Thursday and Friday evening starting at 5:30, but will not be scheduled for tonight. And it is free of charge, so you do not have to worry about buying tickets or getting refunded. Now you can visit the church's website and their social media pages for more updates on this cancellation and the nights coming in the future. But yeah, just so everyone knows, the event will be canceled tonight due to the conditions because safety is the top priority here at Lutheran Church of Hope.
And for those who have driven past that display or have experienced it themselves, they know why this event is canceled. You go through tunnels, there's lots of signs, folks are out participating in this live nativity, seeing this live Christmas story. Definitely conditions that folks should not be out in tonight. Thanks so much, Natalie, for that update.